Hi, I'm Clarisse, CEO of Dfns. We provide security to keep crypto assets free from danger. 18 months ago, I dropped my life as a banker to enter the world of crypto. It was ground zero. So much had to be built. But there was one emergency. Since 2010, $150 billion of Bitcoin had been lost. In 2019 only, more than 500,000 of accounts had been hacked on exchanges. As we build the foundation of a digital economy that will be worth 10% of the world's total assets in only 6 years, security and trusted custody of digital assets are an absolute necessity. This is why we launched Dfns, a security suite for crypto. We provide bank-grade custody as an API. Developers do not need to code their own security infrastructure anymore. From now on, banks, investors, and companies can safely deploy a decentralized custody network with one single line of code. Custody was a luxury before. Our SaaS model finally makes it affordable. We charge an annual subscription fee, transparent and predictable. As a result, our waitlist has grown by 1,000% since our pre-launch in June. Our clients are crypto scale-ups like Figment, StakeDAO, Montpellier, and Consensus, as well as major financial institutions like ABN AMRO. All this is made possible by a team of 12 people, including a CTO who has already sold a digital asset custodian, a PhD in cryptography, the former deputy head of the French Cyber Command, a serial entrepreneur, and an ex-investment banker. Together, we raised $1 million in pre-seed, we shipped a fully fledged product, and we forged an amazing team spirit. Developers do need banking Lego for crypto. We are building it, brick by brick.